Use these macros when working with intersectional notches and 2D.Connect. The macro intersection notch to point with label is used to prepare pieces before writing to Style 3D Studio. Start the macro and select the pieces that need to be prepared. All intersection notches have been converted to reference points with the Smart Label intersection notch in the category Connect. After reading your file from Style 3D Studio, intersection notches can be restored with the help of the macro Point with Label to Intersection Notch. Start the macro and select the pieces. The macro zooms onto all points with the label Intersection Notch one by one and pauses each time. Use the CAD function, Notch, Intersection, to create a notch and continue to the next one using the F7 key. Check the dialog box for prompts. Once all notches have been reconstructed, all points with labels that have been converted are deleted automatically.